You and I both use retinol, which is a topical for our skin. It's vitamin A. What do you tell patients about it? You know, what do you tell them that it is, and how do you explain what it does?
So I tell patients that it's just a great product to get started on early. You know, it increases your cell turnover and just it sheds all that like nasty, unhealthy layers of skin and just really kind of promotes collagen and lets that inner kind of healthy skin shine through. So in the process, you know, you get better improvement in your fine lines. If people have acne, it like really helps with acne and pigment and things like that.
They like glow.
They glow.
Yeah,
literally.
And it's sort of like I tell people, you know, you need sunscreen and you need a retinol.
Not all retinol is created equal either, and that's what gets me too. Is I'm a firm believer in medical grade skincare lines. You know, but patients go to the drugstore and they just buy whatever says retinol on it. But you know, the quantities are the concentration is so small, and they're usually in jars, and the second you open up the jar, it's not active anymore, right?
In medical grade skincare, I mean, I think people hear about that and they're like, oh geez, it's going to be more expensive, but there's a reason that those products with higher concentrations of all of that stuff are only sold to physicians because they're working. And if you're going to spend money on something, spend money on something that we know works and has evidence and science.
Do you ever get patients that come in and they're like, oh, I don't need skincare, I already use this line and my skin feels so soft? And so I feel like that's always hard too, because I'm like, your skin is going to feel great because it's just, you're putting a lot of moisturizer. Usually that's what's in those products, right? So your skin feels super soft, but you're not really improving the health of your skin.
Yeah, you're not treating it.
Right.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And it's important that what you're using is treating your skin and preventing aging and sort of taking care of the damage that's already been done too.
Right.